Fixing errors when knitting below. Ooh, I mucked up here. Actually, I'm kind of glad I did this because it'll give you a chance to see how to fix things. Because the strands of the released stitches are at an angle across other stitches from other rows, it's not quite as easy to fix a knit below stitch as it is to fix a regular stitch. It's not hard though. First, release the wrong stitch and hold on to the stitch that you worked into. In this case, the blue stitches present as purl stitches, so you will rework them from the back. Here you can see that this strand crosses diagonally over the other two blue strands. That is the last of the 3 blue stitches to be picked up. This strand down here is from the first of the 3 blue rows. Pick that one up first. Then go through the next one and finally through the one that goes across diagonally. The orange stitches present as knit stitches, so work them from the front. They are fixed like any other stitch because the strands that would cross them diagonally have not been worked yet. As I work to the next stitch, I realize why I made that stitch in the wrong place. I mucked something up before that stitch and threw off the stitch count. Somehow I knit 2 together on a previous row, and that is not part of the pattern. So I drop 1 stitch, now the next, and there are the 2 stitches I accidentally knit together. Pick up both stitches. Move the leftmost one to the left needle for safekeeping and use the crochet hook to fix the first of the 2 stitches. Here I'm working from the purl side of the orange stitches, so I just work up the wrong side. You can, of course, turn the work around so that you're working on the right side to fix this. Pick up each stitch and pull it through the previous stitch. Here I have turned the work to fix the second stitch.